Hey guys, Brandon Devil's Head, and we're going to show you here on Heath's beautiful Road Glide how to install our magnetic bolt covers. Check this out. So we'll get everything out of the box here. Everything comes nicely packaged and nice box, nice foam. Everything's organized and labeled. That's most important. Then we'll get all this stuff out, and then you'll see that every kit comes with a sticker, which is extremely important, and also detailed instructions, which in this install I'm not going to refer to because I wrote them. But check it out, we got some other colors here and some upgrade stuff too, so this should actually be pretty fun. So the first size we'll do is cover size A. That's intended for all these little quarter 20s like your lifter blocks, cam cover, primary, your trans top cover, trans side cover, and usually a lot of other little spots too. And I'll go ahead and just get these going. One of the things I like to do installing these at the shop is when I want to do a different color, I just go grab them out of a bin. So a little more convenient, but if you guys want to mix and match stuff, sometimes there's an upcharge, sometimes there's not. It depends on the colors, but this chrome on this black, all that mixed up, looks really nice. And on this transmission top cover, there's like 6 of those quarter 20s. I'll just get them on real quick. On to the next size, and that's for the transmission trapdoor, and that's size C. And every 6-speed transmission has 8 of these. Oftentimes, if you have a clutch cable, you won't be able to get to all of them, or in this case, the exhaust is in the way, so I won't be able to get to that. But next time we have the exhaust off, we'll definitely install one. Next up is the rocker box covers, and those are cover B for twin cams, cover E for M8s. They're very similar in size, but just a little bit different. There's a heck of a lot of those things, and if you don't pull a tank, you can't always get to them all, and that's all right, because in just a little bit, I'm going to show you what some people do with some of these extras. This here is one of the really common spots that you can put some of those extras that you can't get to places, and your caliper bolts look better black, I say. All right, now on to the other side of the bike. Now there's the primary. There's usually 13 cover A's that go around the whole thing. And there's more E's on top for the rockers, and then we'll start to get into some of the upgrades that you can add on to your standard kits. This is a good time to talk about some of the upgrades that are optional on your kit. You can get some extra stuff on top of the standard, and one of those is the big bolt upgrade, and that's meant for some of the bigger bolts. The floorboard mounting screws underneath the bike, passenger mounting screws. You can see the pivot shaft cover here and some of the case bolts getting covered up. And that kit is an additional 22, and sometimes people buy 2 of them. But one of the things to think about is maybe get it in a different color than your other kit, because sometimes you don't want all that stuff underneath showing up all highlighted if you did a red or an orange kit. So there you go. This is a really nice upgrade for this bike, and it would be for yours too. It's really an easy thing to do, and it makes a big difference, as you can tell. Check out this before pictures and after pictures right here. Look at that, just looking normal, and bam. Clean, clean, clean. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, reach out to us. We'd love to help. And of course, if you want to get some of your own, hop on our online store at devilsheadchoppers.com.